I'm going to get the motor out of here today. Got it pretty much all loosened up and ready to go. Just got these 2 bolts. Put the chain on it. And there's 3 more bolts down here that hold the tranny in. Up inside this fender well. Here, I'll get the cherry picker out and lift her on out of there. Well, she's coming. Boy, I never seen a donut so stuck in a exhaust manifold before. That was ridiculous. The donut was just frozen there. Busted apart. Well, yeah, here she comes, so that's cool. Got some axle ends on in the tranny, so I'm not losing tranny fluid everywhere. Yeah. Needs a little bit of cleaning up, that's for sure. Well, there she's out. Yeah, like I said, I put some axle ends in here. I just had bungee cords from side to side so I wouldn't lose all the tranny fluid coming out. Had this little extra part here so I could pull it across, get it in the axle, or get it in the tranny there. The bungee cord in the axle end. So I'm going to pull the cover off of it and probably put a new timing belt in it. And a water pump, I got them down the basement. Yeah, I couldn't get over that goofy donut. Never had one that stuck and froze, busted apart. I had to keep jerking on the thing and finally came out of there, so I'm glad. It was nice to pull a motor and not have much mess. Yeah, so there she is. I'm gonna get this front nose off here still. Never know, you know, I got the convertible out front and I also got this other convertible that I'm gonna be putting the motor in. right over there. I got the top off this one for. I used to have an extra nose. I took the grill piece out just to be safe. Yeah, it won't be too much longer. I'm going to get the side back windows out of it and electric motors out, and I'm going to use the trunk lid on that one because it's got nice paint. Hood's got nice paint also that was on it, so I'll be using that on mine. Yeah, so we'll do some prep work and get it in this car. Come on, camera, focus.